Hi grammar learners, it's quiz time for short vowels. Let's test your vowels through this simple quiz. You have to look at the picture and then guess the missing vowels. It's going to be fun. If you are new, then please subscribe to my channel to watch more videos. Alright, let's play. Look at the picture and guess the missing vowel. Missing vowel is A. C-A-T, cat. Well done. Next, guess the missing vowel. Yes, it's A. V-A-N, van. Next, guess the missing vowel. It's A. C-A-M-E-L, camel. Next, guess the missing vowel. It's A-N-T, ant. Next, guess the missing vowel. Yes, it's E. H-E-N, hen. Well done. Next, guess the missing vowel. It's E. J-E-T, jet. Next, guess the missing vowel. It's E. E-G-G, egg. Next, guess the missing vowel. It's E. W-H-E-N, van. Next, guess the missing vowel. It's I. B-I-B, beep. Well done. Next, guess the missing vowel. Yes, it's I. F-I-G, fig. Next, guess the missing vowel. It's I. D-R-I-N-K, drink. Next, guess the missing vowel. It's I. I-C-E, ice. Next, guess the missing vowel. It's O. F-O-X, fox. Well done. Next, guess the missing vowel. Yes, it's O. H-O-T, hot. Next, guess the missing vowel. It's O. F-R-O-G, frog. Next, guess the missing vowel. It's O. Otter. Guess the missing vowel. It's U B U G, bug. Next, guess the missing vowel. Yes, it's U D U C K, duck. Next, guess the missing vowel. It's U N D E R, under.